Alright guys, welcome back, and as you can see here I have set up the sun veil. It looks great. Again, this was the one for the Proto X FPV, and the other one for the X4 is right here. And I will prove to you that if you press here, you can take this off and then go ahead and mount it. Let me turn it, it makes it easier. You can mount it on any of these and it works just as well. I'll turn it on so you guys can see what it looks like. There you go. Nothing is actually connected to it right now, so it won't fly, but as you saw there, same thing here again. It's easier to do it this way. To put it in there, it goes into those little grooves and done, and then I will turn this one on as well. And there you have it. And on a separate note, I'm going to talk about how I was lucky and was able to do this with my drone here. So this drone here does not come with the prop guards. However, I was able to salvage the prop guards from the other drone, which had issues, which was this one here, came in broken. And since that one did have prop guards, I installed it on this one. And then we will go out and fly it and test out, see how it flies with the setup. Unfortunately, the way I set it up, it protects mostly the bottom, and whether you, if you're just flying around and you hit something like this way, it may not protect it that well here, as you see from the front. But I'm usually mostly worried about hitting things when I'm turning into them rather than just slamming it this way, because I usually have pretty good control forward and back, but on the side sometimes you just smash into a building, like not building, but you know, a tree or something, usually going on this way, and it protects really well that way. Anyway, if it turns out to be not the way I like, I could still switch it the other way so that it would protect the front and the rear. So that's also an option. But anyway, we'll see how that turns out as we'll bring it to the field, and we will go look for the other plane again and see if this one is better at finding it on the roof. I did the same kind of video using the SG700, and we'll just see which one does a better job. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one.